What's going on, guys? Caleb here, Caleb's Property Maintenance. Yeah, that's right, we finally got some snow here and it's still coming down. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that is awesome. I'm so happy. Finally we got a little snow. We've been getting these like 1.5 inch storms that are really nothing, and it's really driving me crazy because all we can do is use the backpack blowers and it gets it nice and clean, but there's part of me that wants to pull out at least the single stage snow blowers and at least get a little bit of run out of them. But anyway, guys, this is probably gonna end at about 11-12 or so p.m. this morning, and but then we're supposed to get some more tonight, like 1 to 3, so that'll be nice. We'll see if that pans out. So anyway, all right, guys, I'm going to try and see. It's about 28 degrees right now. I'm gonna try and see if the backpack blower will be good enough. If not, I will have to, if it's too wet, I will have to pull out the, we have the Honda or the old Toro 2-stroke single stage. Which one should I use? Let me think about that while we try the backpack blower, and we'll see what we can do. Nope, guys, plan B is gonna have to be in order. It's a little bit too wet, as you can see. It was pretty slow, so we're gonna have to pull out the snow blowers. Yes. Alright guys, got it all wrapped up. Did the neighbors across the street over there. And that's a wrap for right now. We gotta wait till it's over and then we'll go out and hit them up. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great rest of your day.